Hey, what's up guys, this is your boy SA Random here, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the, if you focus, of the Iposible portable charger, 24,800 milliamps of power inside this portable charger. Now I did pick up this up from Amazon, and it was a very cheap charger, but it is one of the best charger, and I'll tell you why in a bit. So just look in the packaging and you can see it says Iposible portable charger, 24,800 milliamp battery, power bank. Nothing around the back, nothing at all. Open it. So you do get the charging power bank here. You get a little charging cable and a little manual guide. Okay, so I'll just throw that out of the way. And let's look at the charger. So here's the charger. It's all black, nothing to it. It's got two ports. Focus. One's 5 amps, 5 volts, 2.1 amps. That's the 5 volts, 2.1 amps. It is the output for that. That's 5 volts, 2.1 amps. That's the input to charge the device, and there's another 5 volts 1 amp to charge another device. So that is for fast charging, and that's for like normal standard charging. Now all you have is 4 LEDs to indicate the battery level life. So if you just look at the manual, okay, so the first bar here, that's going to be at 25%. The next one up is 50%. After that 75%, and the fourth LED is 100% of charge. So I'll just get a cable here and show you the charging speed. Well, so I've got the phone. Let me just turn the flash off of the phone. So if I just plug it in here, okay, you need to turn it on. It says it's at 49%, and you say it will take 1 hour and 15 minutes to charge the phone fully. So then if I put it on this device here, on the slower output, it should give me a different timing. I think it should do 2 hours and 23 minutes. So there's a difference between this port and this port. It did say it will take quicker on this port and take on that port. So you can choose what device you want. It claims on the website that I can charge an S9 6 times from 0 to 100 on just that alone. And I think on iPhone X, I think it was iPhone X, XR, I think it was X, that I can charge on the fast port 10 times or 12 times. So it's a really cheap portable charger. It is heavy, it's bulky, but it's like it has got a lot of power to it, like 24,800 milliamps is a lot of power. Like literally, like compared to the S10 I'm filming on now, which is at 4,100 milliamps, this is literally double or triple the battery life, or the battery inside of this. So it's quite hefty. But honestly, I say if you could charge S9 6 times, that's what they claim, 6 times from 0 to 100, this is a good portable charger. Say even you let your phone drop to 30% and charge it up to 100, you literally, say you do that 4 or 5 times throughout the day, you probably use just one LED bar. So you probably just use not even half of it, not even a quarter of the battery life of this device. Less than a quarter. You probably only use, like I say, about up to 75%, or if full charge, and you still have like half battery life left. So if you want to pick this up, it's in the description below. It's cheap, it's on offer as well. Like I think I picked this up for around about £20. So it's the best cheap portable charger you could buy right now on the market from Amazon. If you like this latest short video, please do leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like this video. Tell me any ways I can improve the video. And yeah, I will see you next time.